Activision Blizzard has rallied more than 10% today, July 11, and 4 trading days ago on July 5th, on this day, we made a trade based on unusual options activity we detected, and we made a video and told everybody about it. They cost $144 each. They are now profitable by $314 each. And so if we calculate that, divide by the initial cost, multiply by 100 for a percentage, they are profitable by 218%, right? And keep in mind, that was 4,993 contracts. Okay, so make sure to watch that video if you haven't. It was on July 5th. We'll put a link at the top here. If you have info cards turned on, you can watch that video to learn how we analyze this and how you can be profitable as well. And why did Blizzard rally today? Very unusual, because if you take a look at the news, what happened today was that there was a judge that gave a very favorable ruling for the merger deal between Microsoft and Activision. They can close their merger acquisition deal now. Okay, so they've agreed to pause this legal battle. So very positive for this merger. And so very unusual that these call options expire July 14, right? That's this week, in the end of this week, right? So make sure to watch that video. And if you don't want to miss out on these very profitable trades, make sure to join our membership. Click the join button on our channel homepage, where we detect and analyze unusual options activity on other stocks as well, so you can diversify your portfolio to increase your profitability, and also see how we use our trading strategies to maximize profit potential. Okay, so as usual, please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Take care and good luck.